Um, Good morning or good evening. Um, so this is the second lesson for imperative forms. We will be learning about the be verb, how to use the be verb in imperative forms, and about the magic word. So those are the two things we'll be learning about today. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So first thing, imperative with be verb. 何々であれ for be 動詞の命令形。Okay, so first thing, let's have a quick review. So this, eat vegetables, this is a normal imperative. Right? This is what we learned last time, eat vegetables. It is made up of a verb and a noun, verb and a noun. The verb comes first. Right? So the verb, いきなり verb から始まっている。積極的命令形。Right? Starting with a verb, eat vegetables. So this verb right here, eat, that is a do verb. 何々をする、食べる, right? It's something you do. And then, because this sentence, it's an imperative. So it's 何々をしなさい、食べなさい。野菜を食べなさい。So that's an imperative using do verbs. Do verb. But today we'll learn about imperatives using be verb. Be verb no imperatives mo aru yo. We also have imperatives with be verbs. So that's what we're going to look at today. So here we go. Here are some examples of imperatives using be verbs. So they're still positive imperative. They're still positive imperative, but they're using be verbs instead of do verbs, right? For example, be brave, be good, be happy, right? These are all positive imperatives, just like eat vegetables, but these are using be verbs instead of do verbs. Okay, so what's the difference between do verbs and be verbs? do 動詞と be 動詞の違い。do verb は何々をするのに対して be verb は何々である。So this is a do verb, right? An imperative using do verb. You have a verb and a noun. You have an action, right? Eating, eat. You're doing something, 何かをしている。And then you have the noun, eat vegetables. に対して be verb は verb plus adjective, not noun, adjective. Right? 動詞足す形容詞。So 何々である. It's explaining the state of something or someone. So instead of describing an action, this is describing someone or something. Be brave, right? Be happy, be brave, be good. It's not an action, so it's an adjective. Let's look at some adjectives. Let's look over some adjectives really quickly. So brave, you, right? Here's some different versions of how it's used. Brave, braver, bravest. So brave is the normal version, right? Normal keiyoshi. Braver, hikaku. So you use it to compare it with something or someone. Bravest, it's the most. Most brave, right? 最上級. Bravest, number one. Kind, 優しい, right? You, 優しい. Kind, kinder, kindest. Careful, 慎重, right? 慎重. Careful, more careful, most careful. So, some words you don't add the er, you just say more or most, right? Like words like kind or brave, you used er, est, kind, kinder, kindest. But other words, you don't change the word, you just add more careful or most careful. Next word, silly. 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 It is 愚かの愚. And silly. So silly, sillier, silliest. Smart. 賢い. Smart, smarter, smartest. Good. いい. Right? Good. Better, best. So in this case, you have 3 different words for normal version, comparison, and the best, the most. 最上級. Good, better, best. Bad, 悪い. Bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. You are brave. So what is this? What kind of a sentence? It's not an imperative, right? It's a normal sentence. You are brave. 相手は, so the person you're talking to, the person 相手は勇敢である. You are brave. あなたは勇敢ですね。とか、あなたは勇敢です。But take out the you and you could say be brave. Right? Be brave. If you tell this to someone, you're telling them to be brave. So they might not be brave. They might be scared or something, right? And you're telling them, 勇気を持って、勇敢になって、何々である. So you are telling them, you're requesting them. Yeah, so here. So you are brave, that is an information. You are explaining something, you're describing something, you're giving off an information. 情報を与えている. でも imperative にするとでありなさい. So it becomes a suggestion or a command or an encouragement. Be brave. That is not an information. You're suggesting something. You're telling that person to be brave. And then now we're looking at negative imperative. Negative imperative. Very simple. So all you have to do is add don't in front of it. Right? It's similar to what we did last time with just basic imperatives. Right? So this is positive, and then you add don't in front of it. Don't eat vegetables, so this is negative, right? And then positive again. Eat vegetables, that's positive. All you have to do is add don't. Similar to negative imperatives with be verbs, all you have to do is add don't. Just add don't in front of it. Don't be silly. Don't be sad. Don't be lazy. Don't be greedy. Right? It's the same thing. So, right? So these are positive. Add don't in front of it. Don't be brave. Don't be brave. Don't be good. Don't be good. Don't be happy. ハッピーにならないで。Don't be happy. ハッピーにならないで。Be happy. ハッピーになって。Right? ならないで、なって、ならないで、なって。So yeah. So positive, you just do verb plus, right? Verb plus adjective. And then if it's negative, add don't in front of it. Don't be silly, right? And I guess the difference, right? その do 動詞と be 動詞の違いは do verb. Think of it as something you do. It's an action, right? Be verb は it's describing something. 情報を与えている。まあ、yeah. So eat vegetables. This is do 動詞. So it's an action. You're eating the vegetables. But here, be brave. There's not really an action. You're speaking. You're telling someone, but there's no action word in the sentence, right? It's just be brave, and brave is an adjective, so it's explaining, or it's describing another word or someone or something. So that's the difference. Do verb, be verb. And then positive and then negative. So positive is just this. Negative, add don't. Second part, the magic word. お願いします。丁寧なお願い。A kind way, right? A polite way, a kind way of requesting something. Please pass me the pepper. Pass me the pepper, please. So these are both correct, right? You can use either of them. どっちの文章も成立しています。You can use either of the sentences. Please pass me the pepper. Pass me the pepper, please. But so the point is that if you add please in front of your sentence, or if you add please at the end, right? It's politer. It's もっと優しい、もっと丁寧に聞こえます。Right? Pass me the pepper. 胡椒をください。胡椒を渡してと、胡椒をちょうだい。だけど、please pass me the pepper っていうと、ちょっと敬語に近い、胡椒を貸してくださいとか、胡椒をくださいというちょっとかしこまった感じに聞こえる。Please pass me the pepper. Pass me the pepper, please.
Let's work on the worksheet. Word Hero Level 5 Unit 3 Session 2 Unit 3は Imperative だね。Imperative forms with be verbs and magic word. Let's try 1. Make positive imperative form sentences with be verbs and following adjectives. Pause the video. Let's try. Let's try 2. Make negative imperative form sentences with be verbs and following adjectives. Repeat after me. Silly, kind, smart, good, noisy, beautiful, big, small. Pause the video. Let's try. Let's try 3. 丁寧なお願いの形にしましょう。Make the request politer. Number 1. Pass me the pepper. Number 2. Sing for me. Number 3. Don't be bad with Peter. Pause the video. Good luck. Let's try 4. Match the English sentences with Japanese. Number 1. Put your bag on the table. Number 2. Don't walk with a pencil in your hand. Number 3. Think about others. Number 4. Be kind. Pause the video. Good luck. Let's try 5. さあ、プリントアウトしたワークシートに取り組んでいる生徒さんはこちらです。オンラインで入力する生徒さんはこちらです。Much kanji with English. Pause the video. Let's try.
Yeah, great job for watching through it. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.